Hey everybody, in this video I'll be going over how to complete the end of your gutter with an end cap. Now this is a super simple job to do. All you're going to need is your end cap, a crimper tool, and some caulk. Now you're probably here because you're installing a gutter on your house, but for me this is actually going to be a little makeshift planter that I plan to put on my kids' fort. Regardless, the installation is the same. This crimping tool is kind of the key to the whole operation. You know, it's probably a purchase that you're only going to use once, but I guess it's cheaper than paying someone else to do it, right? I'll put a link in the description for the one I purchased. All right, let's secure this end cap. Before caulking and crimping this guy, you're going to want to do a dry fit. And that's just to make sure that the sheet metal isn't bent in any weird way. You want to make sure that the inside of the channel of your end cap is nice and clean. Then you're going to want to put your bead of caulk right in that channel. Press the end cap right on the gutter. With the notch part of your crimper on the inside of the cap, you're going to want to put 2 crimps on each side. And I guess maybe depending on the size of your gutter, 3. This crimping action mechanically fuses the metal together. You can then clean up any excess caulk around the outside. It's also good practice to lay down some caulk on the inside seam as well. This will give you a nice waterproof seal at the end of your gutter. Repeat the same process at the other end of your gutter and your installation is complete. Cleaning the inside of this end cap for the gutter.
Can I help you, whatever this is called, caulk it?
Sure.
Hooray!
First we caulk the inside of this, and then we press it up against there, and then we crimp it.
Okay.
Just squeeze it gently. Then that releases the pressure.
Wait, let me see if I can
Squeeze as hard as you can. Harder.
That's hard. Ah, that hurts.
Good job.
Oh, I see what it does.
Yep.
That's not going anywhere. You got a lot of access. Sure, it's a messy job.